Next, we're going to look at the insulation mat we're going to put under the car. And that's actually for a hot foot. A lot of times when we put a header on the car here in Arizona, the next thing the guy comes in with a limp because his right foot is on fire. So we're going to show you how to cure hot foot in the Mazda Miata with that under car insulation shield. The product we're going to use for our heat shield underneath the car is by Design Engineering Incorporated. That's DEI. The product number that we're going to use is product number 050501. And it's actually a piece of heavy-duty heat insulation that's 24 inches by 21 inches, which is the perfect fit for inside the transmission tunnel of the Mazda Miata. Now this shield offers 1,750 degrees of protection, and the adhesive on the back side will hold way past 450. We've installed a lot of these on Mazda Miatas and haven't had a failure or the insulation fall off, or this has been a very good repair or an additional thing for here in Arizona for what we call hot foot. The problem is putting it on the car. Well, if you're putting it on the car with the transmission out of the car during a clutch job, that's a bonus. The transmission's out of the way. But a lot of times the transmission's in the car. And the problem is the adhesive. The adhesive is so sticky that once it touches metal, it's stuck. It's kind of like flypaper that way. So to put it on, I've created a little system that I use. I'm going to actually peel a little bit of it back, start the edge of it, peel a little bit of that back here. So I've got a little bit of it here. And what I'm going to do is I've got a paint stick with a string. I'm going to tape the paint stick with the string to the cover of the insulation. And once I tape it here, then I'm going to be able to put it under the car and be able to pull the string and pull the insulation and push it up against the tunnel of the car at the same time. So you can see how I've got it taped on so that when I pull this through, I'll be able to pull it off and then connect it up. So now we're going to lay this under in the floor in the tunnel, the transmission tunnel of the Miata, and put it into place. So now you can see that we've got the insulation onto the floor tunnel, and it's actually loose. We haven't pulled back the plastic covering on the adhesive. Now on the passenger side here, I've got it right up against the actual snorkel or the drain for the AC, so that's far forward there. And that'll be my location line. Now I'm going to line it up with the body right about here. You can see where I am. And I'm going to start the process. I'm going to pull that plastic out of the way a little bit. And I'm just going to push it down, push it into place. Pull a little bit more. Here it comes. Push it into place. So you keep on pulling and setting the insulation up into place. But that's how the job's done. I want to thank you again for watching these videos, and we'll see you around the next time.